Hello everyone, let me show you guys something cool. I added tons of stuff to the roadmap, by the way, for the next release. I'm not sure if all of them will be ready for the next release, but at least some of them will be ready. I know for sure. So this is the new feature. We already had optimized media. By the way, this is the old title, image optimization, and this was the only tab. Like there was no tab. So it was possible to select some images, resize it, optimize it, and save it to the media. Okay, I use this a lot, by the way. I don't know about you guys. Like, are you guys using? If you're not using, what the hell you are using? Like, are you using like plugin or something? Because I am using this all the time. It saves me so much space. Like, because you guys know, client sends us like insanely big images, like 5 megabyte, 10 megabyte, sometimes 20 megabytes, something like insanely big images for no reason. But they don't know better, so it's fine. Like that's why they hire us. So now there are multiple tabs. Okay, top of that optimization system, we can optimize existing media. I have some JPEGs and let's scan them. So I made it like two-step again because I think it should be two-step again. And comment about it, like what do you think? And we can select all of them or we can select some of them. I am thinking about how to improve this as well because right now there is like only 12 image, but imagine what will happen if there is 100 image, 1000 image, 2000 image, right? So of course, like the user experience needs to be better. Okay, and for now it is good. So this uses, by the way, client side again, and this was using client side too because I like it. It optimizes much better. Okay, there is much better optimization options, libraries exist for the client side. Those stuff doesn't exist on the PHP. Most of the default PHP, I mean, it is just GD library. That's it. Like this is the only enabled PHP module extension. Okay, on the most of the hostings and servers, and nothing else. And it is just for basic stuff. Okay, if you need like optimization and stuff, it is useless. That's it. That's why I am still going to keep making like optimization on the client CPU. Okay, that's that. So we can set this 75. We can set this, yeah, no need to touch that. Smaller. Yeah, I just usually leave it balanced or fast. Let's make it fast, why not? And I usually select lossy. It says lossy, but WebP optimization, guys, it is so great. You can't see the difference, honestly, especially from the JPEG to WebP. Like you just can't see it. You can't see it. That's why I select that. No need to touch anything else. And you can make this 0 if you don't want to resize it. I made it like to, actually AI decided on this one. I didn't decide it. If I decided, I would make it just 2000 probably. What do you guys think? What should be the default, like 2000 or 3000? I think 2000 is more than enough, honestly. Like, unless you need like ultra wide images on your website, but what the hell? I mean, why the hell you would need that, right? Anyway, so you make your setups. I will fine tune these defaults. Don't worry about it. Okay, I'm gonna fine tune a little bit, and you just need to click optimize selected images. Okay, and that's it. It will start optimizing. Of course, you need to keep the tab open. You can open, like, keep it open on the background. Don't worry, it works. So, and then it will optimize and save it. Optimize, save it. Optimize, save it. Optimize, save it. That's it. Of course, it takes time. Like, bigger your library, more time it will take, obviously. I mean, it is same for the other plugins as well. So I think that's expected, right? And look at that. Like, and I didn't even select like extreme options. Like I could like make this like 60, 50 something. I could make this like 1000. Like the optimization could be like 80%, 90%, but I don't need it. I don't want to compress too much. So this is that optimization, but wait, there is more. So it is possible to see the history. Okay, we can see the restored images. We can restore all originals, or we can restore one by one. By the way, let me show you the optimization. So let me click middle. Okay, so JPEG, WebP, JPEG, WebP. Can you guys see any difference? Because I can't see it. JPEG. I mean, maybe this image is a little bit hard to see. Let's try this one. I love it. So I'm gonna click here, maybe, yeah. Here, same place here. Okay. Maybe on the actually like dark places even better on the optimized image. I mean, it is making not better, but it is, yeah, a little bit smoother and darker. Like it makes the contrast tiny bit better on the WebP. I prefer the WebP one. I don't know what you get, because the JPEG one has like noise. Yeah, I love it. So that's that. And we can restore it. It is possible to restore it multiple places. So let's restore it from here, okay? So let's restore it, and then it will restore that image. So let's go to the media, check it. See, it is restored. It was optimized before. So we can restore it from here as well. Let's edit the image. If you edit the image, you can see image optimization information here, and it's possible to restore the image. We can see the original image still. Original image is not deleted, because I feel we shouldn't delete the optimized images. We should keep them. I mean, as long as you have space on hosting, okay? As long as you have space on your hosting, don't delete the original. Don't delete it, keep it. It's fine. Like these days, all the hostings, like at minimum gives like 10 gigabyte, 50 gigabyte or something, like most of the plans, right? And we can restore it from here. Let's do it. Test it. Why not? That's why I am making this video. Perfect. Refresh it. And now it is back to JPEG. And it works. By the way, of course, I tested this stuff with the looping and stuff, the galleries and stuff. All of the native bricks elements, or even the custom elements that I made, works with the attachment ID. Each attachment is a post. Attachment is a post type, actually. Media library is a post type. Yeah, if you don't know, now you know. And it just reads the ID, and thanks to that, it just gets the WebP, JPEG. Doesn't even matter, like, you know, because only URL field metadata, meta field changes. That's it. Like for the elements, doesn't even matter. And of course, if you really want to, you can delete the originals. Okay, so it is possible to delete the originals, but I made it like that. Yeah, you have to click like delete. You have to tell it to do it. So I don't recommend it, honestly, but you can do it. Yeah, let's do it. Done. This will be final confirmation. Like I am specifically made it like idiot proof as much as I can. Okay, I wanted to make it idiot proof. So yeah, that's that. Let's do it. Boom. And then delete the originals. Like if you really need to delete some stuff to save some space on your hosting, you can do that. Actually, let's check it. Which one was it? I didn't check much. Which one was it? These ones? Yeah, that couple one. This image. Yeah, because there is no original anymore, it is going to say this image is not optimized. I think it's even logical because it thinks that's the original now. Okay, yeah, because we deleted the original, this WebP will become the only original. Yeah, I think that's correct way to say it. So that's it. This is the feature. So what do you guys think? Tell me, comment about it. And if you guys have any idea or recommendation or something, tell me, like which plugin you guys use, like for optimization. What features does it have? I mean, probably, most likely, they have much more features. But do you need them, or is this enough? Okay, comment about it. See you guys on the next video. Bye. Oh, by the way, before I forget, don't forget to support me on GitHub, guys. GitHub. I added tons of information and goal too. It would be amazing. Thank you.